Okay, go in head first, please. Do your dive. Show me your dive. Yeah, go forward. Head first. That one. Yeah, do it. I wish you'd put your hands out. Hi, Riley. What are you doing?
I want to go to Sand Hill.
Cameron, where are we going on Saturday?
We're going to Rangers.
No, we're going to the Wiggles concert.
We're going to Lily concert.
Are you excited?
Yeah, we're going to Lily go there.
Wow, that'll be fun.
And I want to stay there.
Are you gonna dance?
Yeah, the Lily house.
Riley. Can you say hi?
But it's at the arena.
Riley, can you say hi? Riley. Hey. Say hi. Say hi, Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. Say Daddy.